So today we'll be doing another PS5 unboxing. Moment of the truth. We get to the box. This is quite heavy. 825 gigs, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. And on the other side, PS5, the controller, 8K, 4K 120 HDR out first. Handle in the box. First you get some manuals and quick start guides. Take a look at this first. Safety guide and a quick start guide. The cable, another controller. We've opened this already, but yes, the stand and the 2.1 HDMI cable. Now the cable to charge the controller. Now let's get it out. Get out of this. So that's the console. That's the back of the console. It's quite heavy and quite tall as well. Yeah, so at the back we have the power cable, the HDMI, LAN, and 2 USB-A. And on the front we have one USB-A in the front, one USB-C, and 2 small buttons. And as you can see, this is the disc version.